Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I wanted to provide a little bit of an update on this John Deere 316. In my last video I covered doing the repower with the Briggs & Stratton Vanguard 18 horsepower engine, and today I want to talk about my experience with that over the last several weeks while I've been mowing with this tractor. Like I talked about in the previous video, there was only a couple little minor hiccups that I encountered while I was doing the repower. Other than that, it was pretty straightforward. As far as mowing with it, I mean, this tractor's turnkey, fires up every time, does a really nice job mowing. I really have no complaints. As far as comparing it to the Onan engine, I really don't think there's a whole that much of a difference. I think a lot of people, especially the Onan diehards, they like to point out, that these 18 horsepower Vanguards have less torque than the B43Gs do, and that is true. I mean, there is a little bit less torque with one of these than the B43. Are you going to notice that while mowing? I haven't so far. I really can't tell a difference. If anything, I feel like this tractor mows a little bit better. I'm not sure why that would be, but in the torque department, I don't notice any issues as far as mowing goes. And that's all I plan to do with this tractor. If you're going to be using a back blade or plowing snow or tilling up ground, you might notice a difference there in the torque between the two engines. Is it still going to be enough to be a problem? I really doubt it. Again, I'm really happy with the swap. I don't have any regrets doing it at all. Alright, so other updates on the tractor. Since I bought this tractor non-running, I really didn't know if there were any other problems with it as far as the transaxle or hydraulics or anything like that. So it was sort of a little bit of a gamble buying it like that without the engine running. With that said, once I did get it running and started to try to use it, I couldn't get this thing to maintain speed at all. And what that turned out to be was some worn out linkage parts in the hydraulic controls. And that's pretty common on these tractors. I'm not going to get into a lot of detail in this video, but I am going to do another video in the future here that details the various types of problems you can have with the transaxle and the speed control and what the solutions are. Once I got the linkage issues taken care of, it's actually been perfectly fine ever since then. So I mow with this thing every week. No issues now. It's pretty much turnkey. Just jump on it and go, which is what I was after with the swap. So there's not a whole lot else left to do on this thing as far as a project goes. It was missing the taillights when I got it. I'd need to get a set of those. I also want to put an hour meter on it here to keep track of hours on this new engine for maintenance purposes. But other than that, it's pretty much good to go. The 316 is going to be the mower, and the 318 will still be used for pretty much everything else around here. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.